Hi guys, my name is Vinod Pordale. Today's video topic is multithreading in Java. Multithreading it is the Java features that allows to the constructor, and it can be two or more part of the program, and make maximum of the utilize of the CPU. In the multithreading is it is called as the one program to be divided into the sub part, and it is a multithreading is the lightweight of process, and lightweight process. In the multithreading we can be execute using the two methods. It is a first is the thread class, and we can be create the two types. First is the create using the thread class, and second is the using the runnable interface. First is the thread class. We can be use the any we can be create the thread using the thread class. That time we can be need to the thread extend to the any for example, we have to declare the one class text, and text class text extend to the in thread class. These types of the use the thread class, and we can be create the any run method, and run method. After then this run method we can be called using the start methods. In this thread, firstly we can be start. That time execution is the ready state, and we can be going to the run method. That time we can be runnable state, and runnable state, and we can be create the any object, and this object we can using. That time this is the thread are running state. These types of the thread are create. We can be create the thread using the thread class. And second is the runnable interface. In the runnable interface, we can be use the runnable interface. We can implement the runnable interface into the class, and in the runnable interface is the only one method are present in the runnable interface. This method are run method, and another method are not present in the runnable method. That time we can be call the run method. We can be call the run method. That time we can create the object using the runnable interface, and this runnable interface we can be create one another thread, and one another thread we can be create the object, and this thread pass the argument by runnable interface, create the object of the runnable interface. These types of the pass the reference variable in the thread, and we can after then execute the runnable interface. In the best way of the using the thread class and interface, runnable interface, in the best of the runnable interface, because in the runnable interface we can be use the multiple inheritance. We can achieve by the multiple inheritance, and in the interface. That's why mostly use the runnable interface in the multithreading. Next is the life cycle of the multithreading. In the multithreading life cycle of using the some state. First is the new state, second is the runnable state, and third is the running state, and last is the dead state. These types of the life cycle are executed in the multithreading. Next state we can be used in the waiting state. We can be any thread we can wait sometimes that time we can use the waiting state. uh, these all about the multi-threading in Java. So thank you guys.